guys and welcome to the channel. So if I can check on the comment section of most of the videos which I have uploaded recently, you guys have asked a couple of times why I don't trade with a prop firm, or a proprietary firm. So on today's video, I want to cover the steps why I don't personally trade with a prop firm, so that it can help you make a decision whether to waste your time with a prop firm or whether to trade with a prop firm. So if you're excited for us to get into the video, the only thing I want you to do is to smash the like button on the video and let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Ndemazeah Godlove, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, business, crypto, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, or if you have been watching my channel and you haven't subscribed, please smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated once I come up with awesome content like this. Perfect. So on today's video, the topic is very simple. Why I don't personally trade with a prop firm, and why, or my reasons for not trading with a prop firm, so that maybe it will help you to be able to see if you should be trading with a prop firm, or if you shouldn't waste your time with a prop firm. All right, let's start. What is a prop firm? You can either call it a prop firm or a proprietary firm. A prop firm is just a forex. It can be a forex company, stock company, or it's just a company that gives money to its customers or to its clients to trade for a profit. As simple as that. As simple as that. Any definition you're going to see is just adding more useless terms to that. But a prop firm or a proprietary firm is just a company that gives money to its clients to trade for a shared commission or for a shared profit. So if I have a prop firm, let's just assume FTMO. Let's take something like FTMO. That is the most popular prop firm I know that everyone talks about. They talk about the challenges. They ask me, do you do challenge stuff? Let me just take FTMO for example. FTMO is a prop firm, and what they do is they actually give money to their clients to trade. And the more you make money, you're going to be able to keep a percentage, maybe 40% or maybe 30%, or whatsoever agreement you have with the prop firm, while they keep part of the profit. So the only thing they do is just to provide you with a profit. Then you come in with your knowledge and with your expertise, you trade their money, and when you make profit, obviously you share with the prop firm. So that is a prop firm, or that is a proprietary firm. Okay, talking on my behalf, when I started trading Forex, 2 years after that, when I actually got experience and I had a track record. Remember I mentioned about Apari Fund once. So when I had a track record and these companies could see that this guy was already a game changer, I started with Apari Fund, and I went from 10,000 to 25,000 to 50,000 to 100,000. And before I quit trading with Apari Fund or the proprietary firm, I was trading with $250,000. 250, the first video I posted on this channel. So if you want to know more about that, just watch this video. The link is going to be up here. There's a section in that video where I spoke about my trading journey, and I showed you guys the screenshot and everything. So I traded up to $250,000, but I was trading with a goal in mind. As soon as I hit that goal, I quit trading for the firm, and that was it. Even if I have to go back to square one, there's never going to be a day I will trade with a proprietary firm or trade with a prop firm. Let me tell you guys the reasons, all right? Before I go into that, I'm just going to give you guys a few, because there are just few advantages and many disadvantages. Remember, most of these points are opinionated. All right, those are my opinions. It doesn't mean maybe you have your own reasons for not trading with them, or you have your own reasons for trading with them. But this is according to my own experience and according to my own opinion. So I'm just going to give you guys a few advantages and many disadvantages that make me not to trade with the firm, or to quit trading with the firm, or never to trade with any other prop firm. The few advantages we just have is leverage. Leverage. Since you are trading now with a prop firm or with a proprietary firm, obviously they have a big capital. They can play around with big capital. They can give you big capital to trade. So obviously you have leverage, right? you have leverage, you have a big playing ground, you can open big positions, you can leverage their money to open, you can have volume, so you won't be suffering from margin calls and all of that. So because you are trading with a proprietary firm, you have leverage. That's just the first example, or the first advantage. The second advantage, proprietary firms, they already know that their main goal is to make profit, so they fight as much as possible to work with reduced commissions. All right, so from my own experience, most proprietary firms, they'll be able to have very reduced commission, because remember, their main goal is for their clients to make money. It's for you, they are giving their money for you to trade, for you to make money. So they try as much as possible for where they are taking their quote. They take quote from one of the cheapest intermediaries so that they can have reduced commissions. Then the last advantage about trading with a prop firm is just surrounding yourself with professionals. So if you are trading with something like anyway, back in I think 2017 or 2018, when I used to trade with a prop firm, Apparel firm had almost about 500 professionals, people, hedge funds, traders, private equity managers, and they had professionals. You could talk with professionals, you could share ideas with professionals. By that time, as a beginner, at least you are in the sea swimming with professionals, and it helps you to be able to learn a lot from professionals. So those are just a few advantages. Then coming to the disadvantages, the reasons why I will never, even if I have to go back to square one, the reasons why I will never trade for a prop firm is because one of the advantages or one of the disadvantages is stress. All right, stress. That is one of the main reasons that made me to stop trading with a prop firm. Stress. Remember, when you are trading with a prop firm, you are trading someone else's money. All right, that is the truth. When you are trading with a prop firm, you are trading someone else's money. So you are bound to follow the rules which have been put in place by that person. You are bound to follow the money management rules which have been put in place by that person. You are bound to follow the risks and everything. So you become like a coward to that person, because you need to follow the rules put in place by that company. And when it comes to trading, sometimes, guys, trading becomes very personal and very subjective. All right, because even as a beginner, it becomes a point in trading where if somebody is giving you an idea, if somebody is the one giving you a signal to trade, it will be very difficult at a point in time for you to trade that same signal. Why? Because that person is trying to impose something into your psychology. That person is trying to influence your mentality. All right, trading sometimes becomes personal, where you have to be able to make the decision. You have to be able to make your decision alone. You have to be able to make the decision. If you have to be able to risk what you can afford to lose. And if you lost that money, it's gone. Nobody is going to put a gun on your head and say, okay, you've just blown the company money. Why were you trading like this? I hate that. I hate that stress. Trading with a prop firm has a lot of stress. But you guys might not know, because maybe you haven't even started trading live. I know what I'm saying. Maybe you haven't even started trading live, but when you start trading live with a prop firm, the stress is enormous. The stress is too much. For any trade you press buy or sell, you already start thinking of what they're going to say. You already start thinking of an account that you give for that trade. Whether the trade goes your way or not, you have to start thinking of an account that you give for that trade. So that stress is something that I personally can't even bear. I can't personally bear. Then, second, and one of the most important disadvantages that just made me not to ever trade with the prop firm is job security. Job security in the sense that, remember, what will make you to stay with the prop firm is if you are making money. What betides you if you are trading with a prop firm and you don't make money? That is the end of your job. You see, as simple as that. What betides you if you are trading with a prop firm and you are not making money? That will be the end of the job. You have a contract that you sign with any 100% of all prop firms. You always stay with them if you are making money. If you don't make money, you are gone. They kick you out. They bring in new people. That is why you see these people, they do what we call aggressive marketing, because they need to bring in new people. They know newbies like you are going to come in. They're going to pretend, they're going to claim they know how to trade. Maybe they're going to gamble on the challenges and pass some of the challenges. But when they give you real money, you're going to blow up their money. So immediately you blow up those accounts, there's no second chance. You are gone. So let's just say you abandon everything. You even quit your job because now you are trading with FTMO or Taiwan or I don't know, all those things. So maybe you quit your job and now you going around. Everybody in town knows that this guy is trading Forex full time. He's trading with FTMO. And the moment you don't make profit, just 1 month, just the first month, just 1 month you earn, just the 1 month you earn without making profit, that is all for your job. That is all for your job as a Forex trader. So job security is one of the highest disadvantage. That just made me to just hate all proprietary firms. All right, because the moment you don't make money for that firm, you are gone. Your own dream, your dream of being a Forex trader is shattered at that point in time. So job security is one of the biggest disadvantages, or one of the biggest disadvantage when it comes to trading with a prop firm. Then another disadvantage, something I witnessed personally when I just started trading with a prop firm, is fees and capital investment. You might think just going to trade with FTMO, going to trade with Taiwan, apart from most of this, you're just going to just learn how to trade. No, there are still fees involved. When I started trading with Apariform back in 2017, 2018, I used to pay $199 every month. 100, even though I was learning and trading at the same time. They already saw my skills. But for me to be part of that platform, I used to pay $199 every month. And I did that for more than a year. Watch the first video on my channel, as I said, and you'll be able to understand everything. I did that for more than a year, paying $200 every month for more than a year, and they claimed they were a proprietary firm, they were going to give me money to trade. But you see, that hidden fees, those hidden fees and capital investment is something people won't talk about. But you need to even have that money to even start. If you don't have that money that you're going to be investing every month, you're going to be chipping in every month, you're just going to know, okay, this is not for me. I don't have this money to be chipping in. I don't have this capital investment. I didn't know about these fees. And that will be all. Your dream for being a Forex trader or trading with a prop firm will just be shattered at that point in time. So those are just my own few, those are the advantages that I know you obviously have if you are trading with a prop firm, and the disadvantages which I personally had when I traded with a prop firm. Okay, what is the bottom line? Remember, I stopped trading with a prop firm, and the reason why I stopped trading with a prop firm was because even before I started trading with a prop firm, I had a goal in mind. And the goal in mind was just to generate some capital, open my own 2 personal accounts, 2 solid personal accounts, and boom, that will be all. Trading for a prop firm is still like you're still working a 9-to-5 job. You are still answerable to someone. You still have a boss. You still have somebody you need to give an account to. So I have never worked for anyone in the whole of my entire life. That is just, I've never worked for anyone. Even when immediately I left high school, you guys already know about me. I opened my own businesses. I had cyber cafes. Even when I was still in the university, I had cyber cafes. I have farms. I have tomatoes. So I have never worked for anyone in my entire life. So working with a proprietary firm where I was answerable to someone and giving account and being accountable for what I was doing was very difficult for me. So what I was looking for, I brought down myself. I tried to swallow my pride and everything because I know I was pursuing something. I was going for a goal. And my goal was just to open 2 live accounts with private and separate brokers, and that would be all. And as soon as I started trading with, as soon as I traded with Apariform for almost up to about $250,000, there was a time I've accumulated my profit until, I think I opened my first 2 live accounts. I opened 1 account with IC Market, and I opened another account with XM also. One was having 20,000, and I think another one was having 22,000. And my goal, I had a goal in mind to open my own 2 private accounts, and as soon as I have those 2 private accounts, that will be all. And as soon as that was done, that was all. I ended up trading with that prop firm, and till today the rest is history. I've been mounting up. I've opened now different accounts. I've been trading now, making money on my own. So your main goal, even if you want to try a proprietary firm or FTMO or whatsoever, your main goal, as for me, your main goal should just be to generate capital, to open your own private account, to generate capital to open your own account with IC Market, to generate capital to open your own account with XM, your own private account that you don't give accountability to any person. That should be the main goal. Even if you want to try, because I wouldn't even advise anyone wasting your time on that. You can be doing a 9-to-5 job and be looking for capital to invest on your own private account. But if you still want to go through that path, then you should be working with a proprietary firm with the idea of generating profit. As soon as you generate a little bit of profit, even if it's 1,000, 2,000, something that can be reasonable in a private account, then you should stop trading with that firm, because it's not going to be sustainable. It's not going to be sustainable, because remember I said job security. The month you don't end up making profit, the month you don't end up making profit for that firm, that will be all for that will be all for you as a forex trader. That will be all for you as a prop firm. That will be all for you as a proprietary firm trader. So you need to be able to you need to be aware of that and know that your job is on a scale. Your job is on a scale. The moment you don't end up making profit, that will be all for you. So you guys already have the decisions, my advantages, the disadvantages, why I will never go back to a prop firm even if I have to go back to zero. So it's left for you guys to be able to make the decision whether to try it out or not. And if you are trying it out, you already know the main goal which I've given you guys. If you are trying it out, it's just be for you to generate profit, to invest in your own private account, then you stop trading with them. So it's left for you to make the decision. This is not an investment or an investment advice or a financial advice. It's left for you to make your own due diligence and your own research. Thank you guys so much for watching to this particular point in time. If you want to be able to hear from me one-on-one, if you want to book one-on-one sessions with me, I've just opened a new session of one-on-one where you can talk with me one-on-one. So check the link on the video description to be able to book a one-on-one session with me. And if you want to join my private community as well, check my Patreon/Discord link below. If you want to use the same broker I use, check the link below and you'll be able to use the same broker I use, because you might know all of this, but if you don't have the right broker, there is no way you will make any money. So check the link below for the awesome materials that can help you as a forex trader. Check me out on Instagram, and also make sure you join my free Telegram channel. All the links on the video description, and also watch the videos which I'm going to leave at the end of the screens. Those videos are linked to this particular topic, so stay to the end and watch the videos which I'm going to leave at the end of the screen. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. All right, make sure you smash the like button on this video. Also smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.